what do you get out of doing this? Like, you know, what do you get out of finding lost art and finding stolen art? Well, my enjoy.
Hey guys, today we're having freezing rain. Yeah, we all left early and we're gonna be closing our store early so everybody can get home safely. The roads are like slick ice. Our antenna has like so much ice on it. It's so crazy. I wonder if I can show you. There's the antenna. Like, you can see how much ice is on it. You can't even see like the metal. It's so crazy. And then everything's just sheets of ice on top of everything. It's so crazy. Look, you can see the windows already starting to freeze. That's where Brian just scraped, and it's already starting to freeze up again. But I will have to say, we do have some amazing coworkers, and everybody went out and started everybody's vehicle. And then we have a lady who's 79 that works with us, and the guys went out and they started her vehicle, they drove it up to the door, and they started de-icing her car. I was like, you guys are freaking amazing, because to be 79 and not expect anything, she was just gonna go out and do it herself. I mean, she's way more active than I am, so 79 is nothing to her. She says it's just a number, and she's amazing. Good old farm girl. And yeah, she wasn't expecting them to even start her vehicle, let alone scrape it and bring it to the door. I was blown away by the generosity today, and I hope everybody is safe. This ice is crazy today. All right, catch you next time, guys. Bye.